How to change songs in CapCut template. Let's jump right into the steps. You can easily change your CapCut template song, but not on CapCut. You have to use TikTok for it. But first you want to go ahead and open CapCut app, or even you can use TikTok and use template there. So go ahead and tap on use template, select any of the video and tap on preview. Here you have created a template. Now you want to tap on export, that is on the top right corner. Tap on save and share to TikTok. As you do that, it will open in TikTok automatically. Now here you want to tap on add sound on the top and select any of the sound that you want to add to this video. Then tap on volume, that is on the bottom right corner. Then you want to decrease the volume of original sound of this video. After you do that, you can share it on your TikTok or save it. So that is how to change song on CapCut template. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.